Organising is a crucial management function that involves arranging resources and activities in a structured way to achieve the organisation's objectives. It ensures that tasks are assigned, resources are allocated, and teams are coordinated effectively. Resource allocation. Organising ensures that resources such as personnel, finances, and equipment are distributed efficiently to meet the organisation's goals. It helps prevent resource wastage and ensures that all departments have what they need to function effectively. Clarifying roles and responsibilities. This function defines clear job roles and responsibilities for each employee, helping to eliminate confusion and overlapping duties. Organising allows for accountability, as each team member knows their tasks and what is expected of them. Coordination and collaboration. Through organising, different departments and teams are aligned and coordinated, ensuring that they work together towards the same objectives. It fosters collaboration between teams, which improves communication and enhances overall productivity. Establishing a hierarchy. Organising creates a structured hierarchy within the organisation, establishing clear reporting relationships and levels of authority. This hierarchy helps streamline decision-making processes and ensures smooth workflow management across different levels of the organisation. Efficiency and productivity. Proper organising ensures that tasks are systematically arranged, improving efficiency by reducing duplication of effort and avoiding bottlenecks. It optimizes the use of time, people, and resources, contributing to higher productivity and better outcomes. Adaptability. By organising processes and structures, management can respond more flexibly to external changes and internal challenges. Organising helps businesses adapt quickly to market shifts or unexpected disruptions by ensuring the right systems are in place. The fundamentals of organising, division of work, departmentalization, hierarchy, delegation, coordination, formalization, and span of control provide a structured approach to managing resources and activities. These principles are essential for creating efficiency, clarity, and alignment within the organization, enabling it to achieve its goals effectively.